When you need more visual interest in a document, you can easily add images and graphics. In this lesson, you learn to insert images, resize images, and wrap text and position images. We want to help illustrate the Inca Highlands Explorer description. When we're finished, it'll look like this. To do this, we searched for clip art. Clip art is a collection of graphic images that you can insert into a document. We also positioned the image on the page, and we applied a soft edges picture effect. Let's get started. In step 1, I'll scroll to the top of page 2, and I'll place the insertion point before Inca Highlands Explorer. Next, I'll click the Insert tab, and in the Illustrations group, I'll click the Online Pictures button. After a moment, the Insert Pictures window opens. In step 2, here in the Office.com Clip Art Search text box, I'll type Machu Picchu, and then I'll press Enter. Word searches for images that have the keywords Machu Picchu associated with them, and the results appear here. And in step 3, if you don't see the clip that's shown in the book, you can choose another image of a mountain. I'll click this one to select it, and then I'll click Insert. And the clip is inserted at the location of the insertion point. That's not where we ultimately want it, but we'll fix that in a moment. The new graphic is selected, and you can tell that because these sizing handles appear at the corners and on the sides. And the Picture Tools Format tab appears on the ribbon. This tab contains commands for editing and formatting images. This image is a little big, so in step 4, over here in the Size group, I'll click in the Shape Height text box, I'll type 2, I'll press Enter, and the size of the graphic is reduced. Notice that decreasing the height also decreases the width proportionally, so that the image isn't distorted. This image is currently considered an inline graphic, meaning that it's part of the line of text in which it was inserted. But by applying text wrapping, we'll make it a floating graphic, which can be moved and positioned independently of the text. So in step 5, here in the Arrange group, I'll click the Position button, and then in this menu, I'll click Position in Middle Center with Square Text Wrapping. The graphic moves to the middle of the page, and the text wraps around it. And since it's now a floating graphic, we can move it anywhere on the page. So in step 6, I'll scroll up, so the heading is at the top of the screen again. Then I'll position the pointer over the graphic, and I'll drag it up and to the left, so its edges align with the left margin and the top of the paragraph below the heading. Then I'll release the mouse button, and the graphic is moved to the upper left corner of the page. We actually want the image to appear on the right though, so in step 7, here in the Arrange group, I'll click the Position button once again, and I'll click Position in Top Right with Square Text Wrapping. And it moves to the upper right corner of the page. In step 8, we'll add a special effect. Here in the Picture Styles group, I'll click the Picture Effects button, then I'll point to Soft Edges, and I'll point to some of these styles to preview them. Then I'll click the 2.5 point option, and the effect is applied to the graphic. Now in step 9, I'll click the View tab, and in the Zoom group, I'll click the Multiple Pages button so that we can see all of the completed flyer. In step 10, I'll save the document, then I'll close it, and finally, I'll exit Word. To try these steps yourself and for some helpful tips, turn to page Word 66 in your book.